Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word a flack in depth. First, the definition. A flack means a publicity agent or press representative for a person or organization. Think of it simply as the bridge between celebrities or companies and the media. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. A flack traces back to the 1930s American slang usage for publicity agents. Over time, it's been used by journalists and media professionals. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use a flack in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The company hired a flack to handle all media inquiries during the product launch. Correct example 2. The politician's flack skillfully managed the press after the speech. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to flack my way out of a ticket, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference. Using a flack correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. A flack means a publicity agent or press representative. It comes from 1930s American slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with a flack down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.